Hey there, kiddos! Welcome back to our super fun and exciting channel where we explore the amazing world of animals. Today, we're going to dive into the underwater world and learn all about a fascinating fish called the X-Ray Tetra. Are you ready to join us on this underwater adventure? Let's dive right in. Fun facts. Shiny X-ray vision. Did you know that X-Ray Tetras are called so because of their see-through bodies? Just like superheroes, they have a special power of X-ray vision, allowing us to see their insides. Isn't that cool? Tiny little fish. These cute little fishes are quite small, only about an inch or so long. That's as big as your favorite toy car or maybe even smaller. Splash of colors. Even though they might be see-through, X-Ray Tetras have a colorful surprise hiding within them. When they're excited or feeling happy, they shimmer with beautiful shades of red and silver. It's like they're wearing their own rainbow. Swimming buddies. X-Ray Tetras are very social fish. They love to swim in groups, just like how you love playing with your friends at school or at the park. They feel happiest when they have lots of buddies around. Healthy eaters. These little fishes have a healthy appetite. They enjoy munching on tiny insects, worms, and even some plant bits. Yum, yum! Hiding experts. Even though they love to swim in groups, X-Ray Tetras are also experts at playing hide and seek. In their natural habitat, they hide among plants and trees, keeping themselves safe from bigger fish who might want to nibble on them. Wow, weren't those X-Ray Tetras just the coolest fish ever? With their see-through bodies, colorful shimmer, and playful personalities, they truly are some of the most amazing creatures under the sea. We hope you had a whale of a time learning about them with us. Stay tuned for more awesome animal adventures. See you next time, underwater explorers. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.